Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to connect Facebook to Instagram. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. To do this, we need to connect Facebook Messenger to Instagram. Go to Facebook itself, then open the menu. In the upper right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Make Accounts Center. See More in Accounts Center open. Then open Profiles. Here select your Facebook profile. Again open Facebook. Be sure to pair the information. Select Instagram account and click on Sync Profile Info. After that, you need to wait literally 15 to 20 seconds for the download to take place. And as you can see, we were able to connect Facebook Messenger to Instagram. That's how it all works and is done in a simple, easy way. If you like this video, put likes, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching who watched this video to the end. Write your comments. Bye, everyone.